are the basic materials I'll be using. I use a combination of different brand paints, the Liquitex STUDIO basic brand and Sargent acrylic paints. I'm black and white, yellow, orange, red, purple, blue, green. And I just showed you a spray mister. Those are optional. The gloves, a palette, and it could be different kinds of palette. If you could just use a paper plate. A jar of water, and it's important just to keep the water clean periodically. Paper towels, and the brushes I'll be using. I give the brushes in inches because if I just say number 10 brush or something like that, every company has their own sizes. So you could use canvas paper, you could use a canvas panel, and you could use stretched canvas, which I don't have an example to show you there. Stretched canvas is another option.